morning, everyone. Happy Monday and happy April. Today is Monday, April 1st, and we will be doing our weekly briefing covering April 1st through April 7th. Getting straight to the point. So today we have showers and thunderstorms will be possible north of the triangle, mainly across and along the northern Piedmont, along the Virginia, North Carolina border, and then unseasonably warm and breezy conditions ahead of the front on Tuesday with dry conditions. And then a strong cold front will move through the mid-Atlantic region through Wednesday afternoon and bring showers and storms across the entire region. And then temperatures will drop well below normal with dry and breezy conditions behind the front Thursday and Friday. And so cool high pressure will then filter in, and cool and dry conditions will continue over the weekend. For our severe thunderstorm potential over the next few days, we do, as you can see, we are clipped along the Virginia, North Carolina border in the northeast Piedmont for today. That's but then general thunder north of the triangle. And then tomorrow, as you can see, we are clipped for a marginal risk of severe storms over the western portion of Forsyth County, but we are in a general threat for thunderstorms across pretty much everywhere in central North Carolina. And then Wednesday, as that cold front moves across the area, we will be in a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms east of our eastern portion of central North Carolina, and then the western portion will have a threat of general thunder, so isolated thunderstorms aren't ruled out. With this front, the main primary threat will be wind and hail for Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow, and then Wednesday, all hazards are possible. So that includes maybe short-lived storms, winds, and then possibly an isolated weak tornado. Otherwise, Thursday through next Monday is looking to be good weather. So precipitation forecast to the next 5 days. This incoming round of rain is expected to be light. So as you can see today, we just see a little bit of rain amounts in the northern, northeast North Carolina, and then we'll see increasing amounts across the entire state of North Carolina. And then as that cold front moves across the region, we'll see still little rainfall amounts, but by late week we will be drying out. So overall, the 5-day precipitation forecast is anywhere from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, but we do have some isolated areas up to 1.25 inches along the northeast border of Virginia and North Carolina. With that, rainfall amounts, like I said, are minimal, and so we currently don't have any, WPC does not have us in an excessive rainfall outlook, so we are good on that. We just have a marginal risk in the western portion of North Carolina, in the mountains and Virginia, so that is far away from us on Tuesday. The 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, courtesy of the Weather Prediction Center, covers April 8th through the 14th. And it looks like things are going to be warming up. We have a 70 to 80% chance of above normal temperatures. And this time of year, normal temperatures in the Triad and Triangle and even across the Sandhills are low 70s, with low temperatures in the mid and upper 40s. So we will see a chance for above normal temperatures. On the opposite side of that, for precipitation, we'll see equal chances western North Carolina, and then just below normal precipitation for eastern North Carolina for April 8th through the 14th. So with the upcoming hazards, we have our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, and you do see a new look. So we do have these white gray boxes that means that the risk level is none. And then on the top 4 sections under severe thunderstorm for tornado, thunderstorm wind, and hail, we have a marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high, kind of like what SPC outlook. So just kind of making sure everything is the same color across the board. So that risk level and category will look like that for those colors. And then lightning all the way down to snow and sleet. Those colors will pretty much be the same. We don't have any green anymore. They changed the green to like a grayish white, and that is now none. Otherwise, the limited, elevated, and significant extreme are different colors. So we have a few chances of severe thunderstorms today, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with increased winds Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly early Friday with gusts, 20 to 30 miles an hour before and after the front. And then as well as with not a lot of rainfall rates, we're going to have, and then increased winds, so things might be dry. We'll have an increased chance for fire weather across some portions of central North Carolina. That pretty much wraps it up. So just a reminder, we have our showers and storms are possible today north of the triangle, especially along the Virginia and North Carolina border. Then it'll be unseasonably warm on Tuesday with mostly dry conditions, and then cold front will move through, bringing in showers and storms, and then behind that, high pressure will build in, bringing much cooler temperatures below average for the weekend. And then we have our hazards. Like I said before, hail and strong gusty winds are possible, and then possibly a weak isolated tornado in some portions of North Carolina on late Tuesday and Wednesday. Then Friday through Sunday, with temperatures dropping near freezing, we might have a possible frost to light freezing conditions. So stay tuned for that. Might need a frost advisory. Otherwise, that is it. I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you guys on Thursday.